It's snowing. Houston, Texas. Today is December 7th, 2017, 11 p.m. And it's snowing. Well, it's December the 8th, 2017, and it's still snowing. Not much, but it's still snowing. Got dusting on the ground, as you can tell, and the bushes. But for South Texas, Houston area, it's just still, it's December. That means Christmas. Maybe this is considered a white Christmas for us. But now I gotta get out and start feeding the livestock. So, yep, snow. Okay, the sun's starting to come up. Rodeo, be quiet. There's our snow. I know for people up north, it's nothing. I mean, this is probably early summer or late summer snowfall, but you know, down south along the Gulf Coast, it's a big deal. But that's our snow. And you know, we usually get a snow after significant tropical event. So since we had the Harvey and the big flood, it's not surprising that we're getting a snow, because every time we've had a big significant tropical event, we've had snow down here. It's interesting. Now, we've had some snow at other times too, but pretty much every time that I remember, we've had a snow after a significant tropical event. But that's it, what it kind of looks like this morning. Hey, I got hit the road. Got other responsibilities to do today, so I'll get to it. Hey, Rodeo, what do you say? And there's what the cars look like. I know it's hard to tell too much snow in a white car, but then there's a black car, and you can tell a lot more with the black car. And there's another white truck. I'll take you around and show you the other side here in a second. Okay, we're looking at the chicken pen. Chickens are already up, moving around. Yep, snow.